Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 7a with a bloated battery, and this is dangerous. So let's act right now and replace it. Let's go. So right now we have this Google Pixel 7a, and it's already pushing out the back cover, and it's kind of dangerous, so we need to get it out of the housing and the phone immediately so that it doesn't cause any fire which can injure the user. And we will be very careful. The back cover on the 7a is coming out right now. It's made up of plastic, so it's quite flexible. And we are now spraying some IPA alcohol. This is alcohol so that we can soften the adhesive. We're doing this bit by bit, and we can just pull it out. So it's kind of weird that the Google Pixel 7a can open from the back. I usually see Google Pixel smartphones open through the front display, but I guess the battery made it easier for us to remove the back cover, and it survived. We'll let it straighten up itself on the side for now, and this is the battery. You can see there it's quite alarmingly bulging, so we need to remove it. We are gonna remove some screws. We're not gonna use our mechanical battery powered screwdriver. We'll do this the old proven way. We have this screwdriver here. There's tons of screws to remove, so we're gonna take our time. David is also experienced in handling this situation, so don't worry. And if you have if you are in the same predicament, if you have the same case on your smartphone, be very careful not to use it. Don't overheat it, don't overcharge it. Just take it to your local repair service center and have a pro technician check your smartphone, because a bulging battery can be catastrophic. It can cause fires, it can explode, and of course it's not anymore good to be used long term. And this battery has these pull tabs that you can use to yank out the battery. You can also use it to slice through the adhesive, which is nice. We'll put that back in once we install the new battery. We're also pouring some IPA through the cracks here so that we can soften the adhesive at the back of the battery. And the battery is now coming out, and it's kind of nerve-wracking. No tear on the battery cell itself, so but we are still spraying some IPA so it can soften the adhesive more, and it's a success. You're now pulling it out, and good thing we didn't puncture it or tear the cover for the battery. And there you go, it's now safe. Another possibility is that if your battery is bulging, it can also crack the front display, which is kind of tragic. You have a dead battery and a broken display. And you can see there's a tear on the lower part of the batteries. Also, compared to the new battery we have here, it's oversized. You can see there, battery should be flat on both sides, and you can see the difference. We'll just plop this new battery in. It's also high quality. We have sourced these batteries from reputable suppliers, and of course it will work, hopefully. I'll plug this in right now. There you go. It's pretty nice. if you have a Google Pixel 7a and this happened to you, take it to your local repair service technician, or you can go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre if you're around Sydney. You can also, I'm not sure if you can mail it in because it can be rejected by the post office, but you can try. So these types of cases happens all the time. It's an aging battery or a defective battery. Either way, you need to replace it right away. So it's gonna be a reverse of the process. It's gonna be easier for us now because the battery is not anymore pushing through layers of components, and we'll cover this up. So the new battery will give you longer battery life, reliable power delivery to the components. Of course, your CPU can use that power to give you a snappier user experience. Sometimes aging batteries can die faster. You can also retain less power in the cells itself, and this will feel brand new, of course. And the display is not cracked. That is a good thing. The back cover took all the brunt from the bulging battery, and the back cover is also okay. This looks okay now, and you can see that it's really worth it to replace the battery. You can buy a brand new smartphone, but a new battery is a fraction of a new smartphone. Even a used smartphone, it will cost more than a replacement battery. And here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre, we have reasonable prices, a good quality service, expert technicians like David here, who cares that your device lives on and can be saved from being thrown to the bin. And you can see there, straightness all around, very nice results. And thanks for joining, guys. This is the old battery. We'll recycle this, properly dispose of it, and thanks for joining. Like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.